Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming essential prerequisites. Sign into your Google account and use a supported browser like Chrome for best compatibility. Make sure your laptop's camera and microphone are enabled in system privacy settings so Meet can access them. Once done, open Meet. Google.com or click the meeting link you received. That launches the meeting interface immediately. From here, you can choose to join now or preview audio/video before entering. This gets you into the workflow without extra setup steps. After launching the meeting, use the preview window to select the correct camera and microphone devices. This avoids joining with the wrong input. Make sure to test audio by speaking briefly and checking the mic meter, and toggle noise cancellation and captions to improve clarity when necessary. Once your settings are right, invite others by copying the meeting link, sending an email, or adding the meeting to Google Calendar with guest emails. These steps ensure people can join, and your audio/video works for everyone. Click Join Now to enter the meeting. Once inside, use the toolbar buttons or press M to mute and unmute quickly so you control when others hear you. To share content, choose Present Now and pick a window, tab, or your entire screen. Use Chrome tab sharing for optimized audio when playing media. If something goes wrong, first check browser microphone/camera permissions and that the right device is selected. If problems persist, restart the browser or the laptop and rejoin the meeting to resolve common issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.